MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. A silver, sleek 2017 Kenworth T680 is for sale at MHC Denver, a 450 horsepower, 10-speed Ultra, 76-inch sleeper. This truck sits at 561,000 on the miles. You've got 12K fronts, 40K rears, and a 230-inch wheelbase on this truck. It's got 22.5 LPs with polished-up aluminum wheels all around and dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, you're going to love it, a Cummins ISX 15 with that Fuller 10-speed Ultra transmission. The interior, very well maintained by the previous owner. Your sleeper has plenty of room and storage, and your dash shines like new. If you want this truck, a 2017 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.